Nokia is all set to launch its most powerful and feature-packed smartphone yet. If you're someone who trusts Nokia's legacy of quality and innovation, and you're on the hunt for a smartphone that can charge fully in just 10 minutes, and boasts a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel DSLR quality camera, then you're in for a treat. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G smartphone. So, if you're curious to know more about this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video, we'll be diving deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G comes with a massive, 6.90-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. But that's not all, it's packed with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, making it buttery smooth for gaming and scrolling. Plus, it's protected by ceramic shield technology, has an in-display fingerprint sensor, and is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. This phone is built to impress. Camera setup. Let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G truly shines. On the back, you'll find a quad camera setup, led by a 200-megapixel primary camera, with OIS support for crystal clear shots. It's accompanied by a 64-megapixel, a 32-megapixel, and an 8-megapixel camera for ultra-wide, macro, and depth shots. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, that's ready to make your Instagram game stronger than ever. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone can handle it all with ease. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 15, ensuring a smooth and futuristic user experience. Battery life. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G packs a massive 6500 mAh battery that supports 100-watt fast charging. And with a Type-C charging port, you're all set for lightning-fast power-ups. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around $1,000, making it a premium offering for those who want the best of the best. As for the launch date, rumors suggest it could hit the market by the end of this year. So, mark your calendars and start saving up.